Today we're going to be talking about drones. Do any of you guys still have a drone? I have a drone. I don't use a drone, but... What is going on, guys? This is Roberto Diaz. Drones became a very overused tool in, I'd say, the past few years. I was sitting in my desk and I was randomly thinking, what happened to my drone? What have I done with my drone? Have I even used my drone? And I started thinking, do I even still have a drone? And then I realized I haven't picked up my drone in months. And no, I'm not in Canada where I need some crazy law permit to use a drone. I am in California in the US and I could use it anytime I want. I remember the moment that I picked up my drone. I was excited. I was extremely happy. I felt like, wow, I'm going to be getting the best landscape video. I'm going to be doing the best opening scenes. I'm going to be doing this amazing job at capturing video now. Oh my God, when I get my drone, I'm going to be doing the absolute best video. I can't wait to get my drone. I got my drone. And I remember I used it a few times and I got these amazing shots and I was so excited. I remember the first toot toot toot. And you guys know what sound I'm talking about. And that little startup drone sound, it just makes you happy. And I used the drone for a while. And after using the drone for a while, I realized, like, why don't I use it anymore? And I should probably be using it, and I don't use it. So I think drones became one of the most overused tools. And when I mean overused, like, a lot of times I see a lot of videos have drone shots for no reason. Literally drone shots on drone shots on drone shots. And I guess drone footage is one of those things where it's a specialty type of video. You don't need a flying shot for everything. I guess a lot of people, you spend the money on the drone and you want to overuse it. One of my friends went up to me and he was asking me, Roberto, do you think I need a drone? Do you think it's gonna make my video a lot better? And I think it depends on the type of workflow you do. If you're doing music videos, a lot of times there's a lot of opening shots where you want to show where the place is at. And a lot of times if you're just doing comedy or certain things, you're not really going to need a drone shot. But if you're doing car commercials or things like that, ads for companies or stores and storefronts, then it would be useful because you can capture a certain wide shot of you know, the store and leaving or things like that. But I found myself not really using a drone as much as I thought I would be using it. And it's crazy because I remember I thought this drone was going to solve a lot of video issues, and we have the tendency as videographers, we're going to overbuy things that we don't need. And this has happened to me a million times where I think I need a tool, I think I need something, a specific thing, and I buy it and I get home and I think it's going to be the best thing ever. And as soon as I start using it, I get tired of it and then I never end up using it. And that's what happened to me with the drone. I saw this crazy dude on Instagram. Literally, he has a different type of drone where I think you could do flips and random things. So that dude is killing it out there. I mean, that's like a professional drone pilot where he's legit like dropping down, going up, side to side, doing like, you know, weird little magical things. I can't do that with my drone. I'm pretty sure my DJI drone can't do those things. So I'm not going to be trying to do that anyways because I'll probably break the drone. If you were to ask me the question, what drone should I buy today? I would tell you buy the Mavic Mini Air, whatever it's called. I forgot the name, but you know what drone I'm talking about. This drone is cheap, affordable, and it's a great way to get yourself into drones. To be honest, I wish I would have bought the DJI drone mini thingy, whatever it's called. The little tiny drone, it's like 200 bucks. I wish I would have bought that first before buying the big boy, a bigger drone, because I would have saved so much money and I could have used that for something else. And now I still have the drone and I don't use it and it's sitting in my closet somewhere. And it's just there, not flying or not going out there. And it's probably sad right now because it's not going anywhere. It's not even charged. Don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna stop using all drone footage in my videos, or if there's a need for a drone, I'll still use drone shots. I'll still use my drone whenever I need it. But I found myself not really using it as much as I thought I would be using it. And that's what makes me so upset, that I thought I was gonna use it a lot more. The types of videos I do don't need a drone shot, so there's no point for me to add a drone shot, because it doesn't need any type of aerial footage. Try renting a drone, try to see, maybe it'll work out for you. Maybe you'll be using it a lot more than I did. But for me, in my experience, you could save those $2,000 and you can go invest it in something else that's gonna be more useful to you. For me, a drone was great when I first had it, and it was amazing, and it was cool, and it was awesome. It was flying. It was, you know, you could show off your drone. Every time you pull out a drone, everyone's gonna be amazed, especially older folks. Like, you'll pull out the drone and they'll just be like, oh man, that's crazy. How fast does that thing fly? How far does that thing go? You know, you're gonna get all these people asking you, is that a drone? Especially if you love kids, I recommend you buy a drone because kids will go nuts. As soon as you you'll get a crowd of kids and kids are gonna love you. So if you want to attract, that sounds wrong, not attract kids. If you love kids, maybe buy a drone because kids will come to you flying. Kids will come running to you because for some reason kids and old people love drones. So if you want to impress your neighbors, maybe buy a drone and just start flying it around in your little community and everyone will love you. On a serious note, I love drone footage, I love aerial shots, but I don't think it calls for every single type of video. Aerial footage doesn't need to be in every single video you do. I think it's one of those specialty things that you could save it for only certain things. Only for that little touch of something that you need to add, I think aerial footage would be great. I don't think it would be beneficial to buy a drone and spend the $2,000 if you're not really gonna use it. That's just my opinion. If you guys love drones and you're using them every single day, good to you. I have a friend that's using his drone all the time. He loves his drone. He's not doing it for any type of video, just for fun. If you wanna have fun, just buy a drone and it's a cool tool. But why not save the money and just buy the little version? It's the same thing. It's almost the same thing. You're gonna save a lot more money and you can use that for other stuff. And yeah, you save a lot of money. That's my opinion. Once again, guys, my name is Roberto Diaz. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to thumbs up. If you thumbs down, I'm gonna delete your thumbs. Wait, you can't do that, can you? Make sure you hit that subscribe button too because I only got 35 subscribers. Come on, guys. Hook a brother up. Please subscribe, I beg you. You guys need to subscribe, man. I got 35 subscribers and nobody's subscribing and I've been making videos for like 2 months now. Come on, guys. Just kidding, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll check you guys out next time. Wait, I don't want to check you guys out.